So on here, again, we plugged into our distance formula. Now we're still simplifying a little bit more. Add those two numbers together. We have 64 added to 196. It's going to be, see, that's 5. Nope. Sorry, not 5. I lied. Let me erase. 0. That's going to go up to points. So then we got 260, I believe. So we have the square root of 260. Let's see. It didn't say exact value. Let me see how they want you to leave your answers for this type of problem. So it looks like they're on the answer key, they ended up rounding it off. The directions on here didn't say, so we're going to go ahead and round it. So after you take the square root of 260, it ends up just being 16.1. That would be our distance. For number 53, it says find the midpoint and distance between those 2 points. So again, same identical situation. You're plugging the numbers in to both formulas and then just simplifying. So going through using midpoint formula, again, average of the x's, -5 plus -9 divided by 2. Average of the y's, 2 plus -4 over 2. So average of the x's, add those up, we get -14. -14 divided by 2 is -7. 2 plus -4 is -2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. And that's our midpoint, -7, -1. Then on the distance formula, distance equals square root of, again, we're doing the difference of the x values. So -5 minus -9 squared plus 2 minus -4 squared. In each case here, we have minus and negative, so this becomes adding a positive. So -5 plus 9 is actually 4. 4 squared is 16. Now on this side, we have 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 squared is 36. Add those two together and we get 40. That does not work out to a perfect square, so we're going to round this off to a decimal. Square root of 40 ends up being 7.2. And that's it. So again, things to remember, your midpoint formula, it's just the average of the x's, average of the y's. So although we have that formula, that's what you're doing each time. You're just averaging the x's and then averaging the y's. Distance, you're finding the difference of the x's squared, difference of the y's squared, adding them together and taking the square root. So that's a form that you could be familiar with. Any questions on those two problems? All right. Again, you only have 2 more assignments due on the 16th and 17th. On the 17th, I'll also give you this little worksheet, but then that's it. And I'll go back through and check off his grades. Also for the 18th and 19th, remember, you'll be in a different room. I'll have to look at that up because I don't know if I have it written down. Actually, let me see if I have it here. 18th and 19th. Actually, we might be back in the we might be back in the room for that. I might be back, so I might not have to send you anywhere. All right, any questions? And again, if you're out on either Monday or Tuesday, then make sure that you just get the assignments done and uploaded on Canvas. Hold on 1 second.